I got your email. Looks like you're stuck on the code and you need to do some links the images to Wikipedia pages. So you've got your code here, which is fantastic. I have actually taken your code and I put it into an app that I use called Atom. This is just what I use to make my code. It's all pretty and stuff. So I'm looking here. I have saved your code as alice.html, and I have opened it up inside of Chrome, which, this is your code here. First, can I just congratulate you? Your pictures line up beautifully. Also, I love that you have a title in your page, Parks to Visit, and then you've got these 5 pictures. Now, I'm noticing that when I click on them, nothing is happening, right? And from your email, I think that they should be linking to Wikipedia pages. And so I imagine that when I click on a picture, I should be able to be going to Wikipedia. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually right-click and inspect. Inside of Chrome, you can actually do this. And sometimes if there's like errors in the code, if there's like typos or something, you'll see an error like message or a little like red icon over here on the right-hand side. But I'm not seeing any of that. And so I'm actually just going to like click the down arrow and click this down arrow. I'm looking at the code and I know what I'm looking for with code. And honestly, like this is good. That's your picture. And I see that you have a link right here on the line that I've highlighted. It's going. But here's the fun part. So your link starts with the A tag and then it ends with the A tag right here. And all of this picture, so actually I'm going to open up this in Atom right now because I think it's a little clearer to see in Atom. This is your link. And then you have your image, and all of this image is one image tag, which is perfectly fine. All of this image, it's coming from the internet, and like it's working, and you've got your width and your height, and it's great. But what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to do this for one of them, and I'm going to show you what happens. So I'm going to cut it with Control X, and see how this A tag right here, you've got the opening portion of the A tag right here, opening. And then you've got the closing portion of the A tag. So that A tag is your link. And if you just paste your image inside so that the link ends over here after your image ends and your link starts over here and then your image starts. So I'm going to hit the save button, Control Save. I'm going to come over to the internet. I'm going to refresh this. And we see now that, let me close that. So it was that first picture, and the first picture now has the fingers on it. Looks like it's going to be a link, and I can see on the bottom that it's got that link info on the bottom down here, right? It says Wikipedia, and if I click on it, it goes to Wikipedia. So honestly, you've done a fantastic job, a 100% fantastic job. All you need to do is change, like to move this tiny little link, like this closing /A, cut that, and put it at the end of your line after your picture. And I guess right here, before your break tag, you're just going to put it right after your picture tag, and you're going to save that. And now the second picture is going to work. So you got to refresh it. Of course, obviously, your first picture has the little hand that says it's a link, and the second picture has a hand that says it's a link too. You've done everything beautifully. I am so impressed with you. I hope this little bit helps. You've just got to move that little /A to the end of your picture. So effectively, the way I think about it is that the link is kind of like a parentheses, and what is inside of the parentheses is what will be clickable, right? And right here, you've basically just got nothing inside of your parentheses because there's nothing right in here. And then right after whatever is clickable, and there's nothing there to click, then you've got a picture, right? And you just want to be able to put that picture there first, inside of that parentheses. Again, fantastic job. Thank you for asking the questions. Bye.